Jai Bole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel. People who are new, how you select your reading is I'm going to show you 3 bracelets, crystals, rosaries, whatever crystals. You have to choose one of them and that particular reading is going to be for you. Please choose the crystal that hits your subconscious in the first glance. Don't rethink, because at the first instance whatever attracts you, that is what your subconscious chooses. So for today's reading, you have to keep a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or no. Today there's going to be an advice card, there's a miracle message, how you should be dealing with the situation as an energy card, and divine card. So let's begin. These are your 3 choices for the day. 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin. People who have chosen this first bracelet, please put forth your question in your mind, to which the answer is... Your answer is a yes. If this question is concerning people who are married, there are some things which are hidden, which you're not aware of, and maybe you're feeling burdened in this situation. You're trying to be the best person you can with all the love in your heart, and you expect the same thing from the other side as well. If this is not concerning people who are married, if this is just a general question, then there is probably some kind of celebration that is about to happen. Again, because the moon card is here, I would say there's some things which you're not aware of right now. There's some things which are hidden, but overall the answer is a yes. Your advice here is, don't be frustrated with whatever the situation you're facing, because we have 7 of Pentacles. You might get frustrated, angry, not angry really, but you'll be frustrated about what steps to be taken in your life. Let's just proceed with the reading with the energy card. I'm sorry, there's a deceit card here. That's why the moon card has come. Probably there are things you don't know. This especially goes for people who are married. I'm sorry to put it out to you guys. There is something which you're not aware of. Infidelity, probably. Again, people, take what resonates. If this reading is not making sense to you, there are a lot of other YouTubers out there, beautiful ones, you can check them out, but this is the message which is coming for you. Your divine message is karma releasing, move beyond the drama, create your own path and make room for good energy. Again, this means a lot with the Queen of Cups card coming here. You have to be, if you're a mother, you have kids and you know your husband is moving around, you cannot do anything. This is your karma. You were supposed to deal with something like this. I'm really sorry to put you out there, but you have to be in that loving energy. That's it. You have no choice. And probably this is what was meant for you to deal with, your own karma, because the karma card is here. So don't fret. Your miracle message is, the key to getting what you want, or what I want, is to ask for it. This I can relate, as this is a spiritual reading, a spiritual guidance. I would suggest you, please go out there, try and do some spiritual activities. Ask God to make things right for you. If you believe in the supreme power or some ultimate reality out there, I would say just say that incantation out loud in the universe, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you'll be heard. I'm sorry it was not a very nice reading for you guys, the first one. The second group of people who chose this, please put forth your question in your mind, to which the answer is, what's with the moon card? In this reading, the moon card is coming again. Your answer is a bang on yes. Okay. You were confused about something, you thought things were hidden, you were feeling like this is the worst energy to be in, you were feeling betrayed, but Justice card is here, so I would say it's time you're going to be given what you deserve for the better. The answer is a yes. Your advice card is 3 of Pentacles. If someone is if someone is not talking to you, if someone is gone away from you, you're in 2 minds, go ahead, have the courage to go and speak with the person. Don't let that thing go. Your energy card is strategy. Again, that's why 3 of Pentacles was here. Strategize how you can make things work. Strategize how you can make your life better. If something is supposed to be done diplomatically, don't take the word diplomatic as in a wrong thing. Sometimes diplomacy is the thing to do. So strategize what you can do in your life and then move ahead. Your divine message is inner strength, move back to wholeness, recognize that you have power. Again, this goes very well with what I just said about strategizing. You have the inner strength to make things work for yourself. So this is the time, think about it, because if you feel you don't have no way, sit back, look at the whole picture. You will end up finding something, because this is your time, you will get help. Your miracle message is, that's a pretty long one. I let my intimate relationships be my greatest learning devices for spiritual growth and healing. Whatever and in whatever may it make sense to you, please have a read. I hope this helped you. Last group of people who have chosen this bracelet, please put forth your question in your mind, to which the answer is a no. Sorry. I see a lot of frustration. I see anger. I see you've been waiting a long time for your ships to come in. You want happiness. You want to move away from conflict. You've had enough of it. But the answer is a no. You were betrayed. You were deceived. But right now also the answer is a no. You have to wait a little longer. Your energy card is Magician and the Mirror. This is the best card to have as energy. I would say, if things are not working out for you, you have it all in you. A magician does what? Illusions. You have to be careful about people also who are creating illusions around you. Probably you're aware of it in your inner self. This is the time to act on it. Your divine message is Sacred Self. Unleash your spirit. Express your gift. Dance to the sacred rhythm of life. Very simple. You are going to be made aware. Can you see this moon on top of our head? This tells us our intentions. Set them straight. This is the angel winged bird, or whatever, dove you call it as. They're going to guide you. That's why the Magician card has come. If things have not been good for you, just pray. Just think about what went wrong where. You will get the answers. Your miracle message is happiness is a choice I make. That is why again the Magician card comes here. A magician can do everything he wants for his life. Right now, you're the magician of your life. I think it's better if you choose this one for yourself. That's it for the reading today. I hope it made sense to you. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. There's going to be links in my subscription box, which is going to make it easier for you to go down to the other videos. And please subscribe, share my videos, and take care of yourself. Be safe. Be kind to each other. Till next time, Jai Bhole.